Hi guys, NCWQ here. The time is 1:42 p.m. Today is 2/15/2023. That's 1:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for all my NCWQ family. Anyways, as you can see, we're looking at EMSC, and there has been a 6.0 earthquake in Masbate region, Philippines. This earthquake was 40 kilometers deep and 24 kilometers east-southeast of San Fernando, Philippines. Population there is 6,200. I've already put this into Google Earth, and as you can see, this is the area where it hit. This is San Fernando over here, but this is San Vincent here. And what I was noting when I was looking is that it does appear to be an area where there is perhaps houses and boats and stuff. I did look on Pacific Tsunami Warning Center and I did not see anything. So I'm going to look news-wise and see if there is any news yet for this area. We'll do this together. And not seeing anything yet. That's for 2020. 6.0 13th, 33 minutes ago. Exactly what I'm already looking at for EMSC. So not seeing anything. Let's look on Data Buoy Center. National Data Buoy Center and see what we can see. Not seeing anything over in this region moving, but I don't see any buoys over there anyway. Anyways, just checking and I'm seeing nothing yet. Okay, you guys, so I just thought I'd do a real quick video. I hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all enjoyed your Valentine's Day. Hope y'all are doing well and take good care of yourselves and each other. Much love.